This is a great day for our coastal and maritime communities in Fiji as we commission the Thagibo, the third and most impressive of the new vessels we have acquired for the government shipping service. This continuing upgrade of our ability to service the most isolated parts of Fiji is one of the most important things my government has ever done. Because before we acquired these vessels, like I said last year when we launched our latest vessel then, there hadn't been a new ship on these routes for 3 decades. So I'm delighted to be here again, yet again, to commission a vessel that, like the previous two, that have already entered service in Singapore and Unlangi, are transforming the lives of Fijians in our maritime communities. Bring them all a little closer to us on the bigger islands and our capital.